Your mining app's assistance is here. Hi, it's time to show how to claim Omega tokens from the Omega website properly, and for that we need MetaMask app. So now I'm gonna search MetaMask wallet on Play Store and install it. If you don't have MetaMask on your phone, you can go to Play Store and search MetaMask here. Type MetaMask. Install it from here. And if you are a beginner, you've never used any MetaMask wallet, then don't worry, I'm gonna drop a link below in my YouTube video description. Now I'm entering MetaMask. Touch here, type this URL here. Now the website opened. MetaMask connected. Approving. Switch network. Look here, I have 15.9 coins claiming now. Confirming. Waiting for claim result. Claiming. Claimed. Transaction completed. Now touch here. Tap on the OMN tokens. Look, these are the tokens that I've successfully claimed to MetaMask. Now send. I'm gonna copy the deposit address from Bybit app. Deposit, crypto deposit. Type OM here, OM, oh wait, here it is. Copy the deposit address. Copy from here. Going back to MetaMask app. Loading. Paste it here. Look here, I've already pasted the Bybit deposit address. Now touching next. Now here I'll type 16 because I want to transfer 16 OM tokens to Bybit exchange. Next. Everything is okay. Gas fee is a very tiny amount of gas fee. The next. Transaction submitted. Yeah. Now I'm going back to Bybit exchange. Now, in the meantime, I'm waiting for a deposit to be confirmed. I mean, that's 16 tokens, waiting for them to arrive here in this Bybit exchange. Because if they don't arrive, how can I sell them? So you have to wait for a deposit confirmation message. And if you deposit successfully, type here in the search bar OMN. Type here. If you successfully receive those OMN tokens here in Bybit exchange, you can type here for the USD pair of OMN token, and then you can sell here. Look at the price here, OMN USDT price. Now we can sell your OMN tokens by tapping on the sell button.